Turtle's got a shell, but he's got a tank too. Rolling through the mud with a mission to do. Dr. Pepper factory under siege tonight. He's got to save it, gotta win this fight. Sweat pours down as the battle commences. 125 millimeters of pure defenses. Cannon roars loud, shaking up the ground. Thunder in the sky, but he's holding his ground. Turtle in a T90 rolling with might, saving Dr. Pepper under the moonlight. Courage in his heart as he faces the foe. Victory's the goal, he's ready to go. Enemies scatter with each fiery blast. Turtle's moving forward, gotta go fast.